The ATP reader is the benchmark for measuring the cleanliness of a surface area. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is present in all living organisms on Earth. All things that require energy to function rely on their own cells to produce ATP in order to survive. Now, given the presence of ATP in everything from bacteria to fungus to mold, an ATP reader is a great method for measuring the amount of germs on a surface. The functionality is simple. Just take the swab provided by the company that supplies your ATP reader, wipe the swab along a surface area that often comes in touch with human contact, place the swab back in the casing, crack the liquid capsule at the end and swirl plastic casing to properly coat the swab, and finally place the casing in the ATP reader, and within 15 seconds you have a reading of the contamination level on your sample surface.